Starting a business is wild, exciting, stressful, and full of surprises. But there's one thing that can wreck your party fast: taxes. Most founders ignore this until it's too late, but getting it right from day one is a game changer. Today, I'll show you how to set up your business to avoid tax disasters and keep more of your hard-earned cash. Welcome to the Tax-Free Strategy, where we turn tax confusion into financial confidence. If you're starting a business, don't miss these critical tax steps that could save you thousands. Let's get into it. First up, your business's legal structure. This choice shapes your taxes, liability, and paperwork. Sole proprietorship? Easiest but zero protection. Your personal assets are on the line. LLC? Now we're talking. It shields your personal stuff and gives you tax flexibility. S-Corp? Great for saving on self-employment taxes if you're making real money. This is a popular option, but often done incorrectly. There are specific rules regarding how you pay yourself and which paperwork to file. Know the right way or work with someone who does. C-Corp? Only if you're planning to go big, raise lots of money, or go public. Otherwise, double taxation can be a killer. However, there are ways to make this less painful. It's an entity to consider, given the reduced tax rate for corporations. The right entity can save you thousands and protect your future. Don't just guess. Do your research or work with professionals like us and pick what fits your goals. Pro tip: most small businesses start with an LLC for a reason. This is the foundation of your empire. Choose wisely. Your entity is your business's DNA. Make it strong. Don't rush this step. Find your perfect match. Next, make it official. Get your EIN, your business's tax ID, from the IRS. You'll need it to open a bank account, file taxes, and hire employees. No EIN, no legit business. It's free and takes minutes online. Don't forget state and local requirements, licenses, permits, and tax IDs may be needed. Every state is different, so check your local rules. In fact, check out our video on selecting the right state in which to establish your LLC. Skipping this step can mean fines or worse. Take an hour, get your paperwork in order, and avoid headaches later. This is your business's passport to the financial world. Compliance isn't glamorous, but it's essential. Be a pro. Get your EIN and all required permits. Don't get ghosted by the government. Now let's talk money management. Set up your accounting system from day one, no excuses. Use software like QuickBooks or Xero to track every dollar. Open a separate business bank account and credit card. Never mix personal and business funds. Mixing money destroys your legal protection and makes tax time a nightmare. Keep every receipt, use an app to snap and save them. Organized books mean less stress, more deductions, and a clear picture of your business health. Your business is its own person. Treat it that way. Good records are your best defense if the IRS comes knocking. Don't wait until tax season to get organized. Start now and thank yourself later. Track everything. Your books are your business's diary. Don't lie to it. This is why hiring an accounting professional to handle your books is more of an investment than a cost. Making money? Congrats! But don't forget, taxes aren't once a year for entrepreneurs. You must pay estimated taxes quarterly: April, June, September, January. Set aside a % of every payment you receive in a separate tax savings account. This money isn't yours, it's the government's. Miss a payment? Expect penalties and interest. The IRS doesn't play around. Paying quarterly is a habit. Get into the rhythm early. Don't let tax bills sneak up on you. Discipline now saves panic later. Treat taxes like a subscription. Pay as you go. Stay ahead, stay stress-free. Be the boss of your taxes. This is where a good tax plan comes in handy. You establish an overall strategy in the beginning to the middle of the year, implement specific strategies during the year, having an estimated result for the end of the year. That way you know your tax % from the beginning. You can still save 20–30%, like most businesses that make decent money have to pay. But if you plan correctly, you won't have to pay that high of a percentage to Uncle Sam. You can pour that money into growing your business and your wealth. Then when it's tax prep time, you're ready. A tax strategist is essential. Remember this: tax preparers record your history. Tax strategists give you a better one. Don't get played by the pay-as-you-go game. Now for the fun part, deductions. Every dollar you deduct lowers your tax bill. Startup costs, branding, tech, equipment are often deductible. The IRS lets you deduct up to $5,000 in your first year. Track every expense from day one, no receipt, no deduction. Use your accounting software and keep digital copies of receipts. Deduct client lunches, business miles, courses, and more. If you spend it to grow your business, track it. The more organized you are, the more you save. Don't leave money on the table. Hunt down every deduction you can. Use a tax strategist like us to spotlight deductions for your specific industry and way of doing business and show you other ways to lower your tax bill. There are tax credits, investment strategies, and so much more. Being a business owner opens you up to a whole new world of tax protection, if you're in the know. Protect your profits. Always wear your business tax hat when conducting business. How can I make everyday life a tax deduction or credit? That's it. 5 essential tax steps to launch your business right. Take it one step at a time. Pick your entity, get your EIN, set up your books, plan, estimate and pay quarterly, and track deductions and tax-favored activities. It's best to use a tax strategist, but at the very least be a diligent and proactive owner. Download our free checklist below to avoid rookie mistakes. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more strategies. This is the tax-free strategy, helping you pay less, keep more, and grow faster. Now go build your empire. And remember, it's not just about how much you make, but how much you keep.